In this video, I'll talk about one student who lost zero point 0.1 Ether due to trading bot scam. And I already made a complete video on this type of scam, but still I can see many students getting into this trap for making quick money. There is no easy money. These scams exist. So my team and even I personally asked him that how he got into the scam. Then he mentioned that they are utilizing some of my video on their channel. So this is the video he sent me in which they're explaining that how you can make a quick money using their trading bot by investing 0.5 ETH, and that's how he got into the trap. So the students share the details about the channel and how he got scammed. So when I came to the channel, I have noticed that they are utilizing my video. You can see they have added the entire Salty playlist right up here in the home page. When you will click on this video, it will take you to my YouTube channel where you can able to follow the course. So there is no problem. Like this is the feature we have in YouTube where you can add other people playlists in your channel. And that's what this particular channel did. But if I come back to the video section, there you will find all the video they have uploaded. In this particular video, they have explained that how you can make a passive income by investing and launching your contract, which I have already explained in this particular video. If you come back here, how to double your ETH, this is the same strategy they are using. I explain extensively in many of my videos that you should never ever invest randomly in any strategy. Your investment is your personal. Like I'm not saying that there is no strategy which allow you to give you the passive income, but you have to know how to build those strategy. You cannot be dependent on someone else and their methodology and their technique, their strategy, which going to make you passive income. You can generally build a bot where you're going to do the transaction, but you have to know how it's working. And that's how he got into this trap. I have already made a request to YouTube to remove my playlist from their channel, and I've already put a comment on their video. So if I click here and if I click on the video and if I come to their channel, I've already requested them to remove my playlist from their channel. And I've already had a talk with the YouTube creator studio where they given me all the support. They have given me the details that what are the initial steps I can do. So I have given this comment to remove my playlist from their channel. If they don't do that, I will take my legal actions which I have as a creator of this particular platform, and they're using my content without letting me know, without taking my permission. So I'm going to take necessary action against them. The main motive of making this video that you should never ever spend your money just like this. Like if they are showing you anything in the video that this is how you can invest, this is how you can run the trading bot, this is how you can this is how you can make money. And if you look at the comment, you will find there is a lot of positive. These are all spam comment. This is the very common strategy which you will find any digital product. These all the positive comment which you are seeing, it's all fake. So you should never ever do investment like this. Again, I have already mentioned them that they have to remove my playlist, otherwise I'm going to take strict actions against them. Not good to use our playlist. And I'm getting mail from students that they're losing their phone and they're mailing me that am I associated with this particular account or not. They're asking me this question, and that's a genuine question they should ask because they are seeing my videos on this particular channel. And the one thing I always tell to all of you guys that I never give any kind of investment idea or any investment tips and trick. I believe that your investment is your personal choice, your personal way of doing your analysis, your investment. It's your personal. You should never take anybody advice just like this, no matter he's influential or not. Like your investment is your personal thing. You should do your research, you build your strategy, and you invest your money. That's your choice. You should never ever take anyone's random advice whenever you find any videos, any articles. You should never do that. I really feel bad that how you can be in such a trap and lose your fund. It's really sad. You are a developer, you are an investor, you are a user, you are in the field of crypto world. You can't be so naive. You have to be a little smart when it's come to strategy, when it's come to all of this crypto making money. You know how many scam is happening. You know, you are aware about this particular strategy which already exists in the crypto market or any other market. So you have to keep yourself aware. You should never ever take any one random advice. Never take any advice when it's come to investment. You have to build your own strategy. So that's my quick advice to all of you guys, that you should never ever trust online whenever you do any kind of online transaction, or whenever someone's tell you to do the investment in this. Take their knowledge, understand, do the filtration, do your little bit analysis. After that, use your own strategy. Use your own strategy. Ask question. You should never ever spend your money just like this. So that's the only thing I want to talk about. It's really back to here that you students are losing their fund just like this because of the silly mistakes they have done. Use your common sense. Use your common sense. So that's the only thing from my end. I hope you have understood, and next time you will be a little bit conscious. Everything is learning from my point of view. You have learned a very valuable lesson after losing a fund. So those of you who haven't lost their money, they have to use it. They have to take the lessons from this, that you can learn it, but when it's come to investment, when it's come to applying in your own career, you have to take your decision. You have to do a proper research, then you have to move ahead. Because when you will lose your money, you're not going to lose other money, you're going to lose your own money. And you have to be fair or rational. Like, you have to be rational. Make a hundreds of dollar in just 24 hours. You can, there are possibility, but that's required strategy, that's required proper analysis of the market, that's required proper investment plan, the funding you are doing, how everything is going to be work. Don't invest just like this. Okay, so that's the only thing I can say at the end of the day, because you have already lost your phone, so I don't want to give you lecture on that. I hope you will take some benefit from this, and I have already given them comment to remove my playlist, and I have also talked with the YouTube creator support team, and they have also said me, and they have created a ticket for me. So if they remove the playlist is good, otherwise we're going to simply make a we're going to take other legal actions against them. So that's the only thing from my end. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.